Hello, good morning. Today is March 18, 2020. Today is a historical day because in Malaysia it's a partially lockdown. We are not allowed to fly overseas or overseas people come to Malaysia. It's temporary lockdown until 31st March. During these 2 weeks, I have some activity have to cancel, so I cannot make any outdoor video regarding the hiking or place for camping. So today I only can show you the video around Subang Jaya area with my drone. Generally, I already shooting some traffic, and today I also will do some shooting on the traffic to see how many cars been reduced. Oh, surprising! Today still got so many cars. I thought there'll be less car in the traffic road, but it seems like not much different, and life is still go on. And you can see the people are still come to the garden here to exercise, walking like normal. It's like nothing happened here. So I was very surprised. For your info, all the jungle has been shut down by the authority, not allowed for hiking, trekking or camping. This information is given to me by my nature guide. She also has been informed not allowed to bring any people to the jungle. So for those who love hiking or trekking or camping, please postpone your activity after 31st March, or if you would like to go, please be careful. Make sure you wear mask or take care of your hygiene. What video should I do these 2 weeks? I'm planning to do some video about my bicycle product review just nearby my house. I think that's what temporary I can do. Also, I would like to take this opportunity to thank all my audience for all the while of your support, and to subscribe my channel, to share my channel. All these past 2 years it's been very positive to me and really motivate me to continue to do more video. I almost upload 106 video until today, and I will continue on to show more new places for hiking, camping, some other outdoor activity. I hope you enjoy. For those who haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe to see the other coming new video. So thank you very much for your support.